Hey guys, what's up? This is Shayan and you're watching Mediocre Lifestyle. So I'm back with another recipe video. Yes, your favorite, the veg shawarma roll. So please keep watching the video. I will be right back. And yes, before starting the video, please do subscribe the channel because subscribing will motivate us for further videos. Thank you. Welcome back guys. So the voiceovers will be done by my sister, so please bear me with that. And yes, chalo, let's start the video.
First, take a kadhai, heat it and put 1 tablespoon olive oil. Also, this whole cooking process will be done on low flame only. Then add onion and saute for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Then add capsicum, tomato and sweet corn in it. Also a pinch of salt. Saute for 25 to 30 seconds. Then take it out on a plate and keep aside. Again, add a 1 teaspoon of olive oil in the same kadhai. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Afterward, add the boiled soyabean and saute a little. Then add half teaspoon amchur powder, 1.5 teaspoon vegetable powder, salt and mix it well. Then add chili sauce 1 tablespoon and sugar 1/4 teaspoon. Saute for few seconds, then turn off the flame. And add 4 teaspoons of mayonnaise along with the veggies and the sliced cucumber and mix it well. After this, take 1 pita bread and spread 1 tablespoon of cheese chili spread on it. After that, add the mixture and make a roll. And now the veg shawarma is ready.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please love the video, share the video, and also guys, please subscribe the channel because subscribing will motivate us for further videos in future. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy and keep growing. Thank you.